So I want to do a quick tarot reading. So I'll shuffle as best as I can with this infected finger. But we have the total lunar eclipse happening tonight, or early tomorrow morning, which is March 3rd, so 3/3. And exactly 3:33 a.m. is the totality Pacific time. So a lot of threes going on. Okay. So the first card is, what are you releasing? There we go. Get that. Okay. So this is the Five of Pentacles. Deals with Earth. It's the first decan of Taurus. Now 5 is all about instability, exaggeration, overexertion, strife, changes, freedom, loss. Okay. So the Five of Pentacles, this is what you're going to be releasing. You're going to be releasing financial loss. Okay. Lack of mindset, loss in general, being isolated, worrying a lot, needing a lot, being in poverty, insecurity, all of those things. So you're going to be releasing this for this full moon lunar eclipse. Okay. So that is the Five of Pentacles. Now let's see what you will be learning. Okay, that's coming out actually. Okay, so this is the Judgment card, and it deals with fire and Pluto, and it's the number 20. So in numerology, 20 reduces to 2. 2 plus 0 is 2, right? And 2 is about balancing polarities. So you're going to be learning how to balance different things, okay? So the Judgment card, of course, is all about judgment, okay? It's about also about rebirth, like some kind of new phase in your life, an awakening, forgiveness, you know, redemption. Like, as you can see, like all these people on here, they're like looking up, and they're like, forgive me, forgive us. They want to be rebirthed, renewed, right? So this is what you'll be learning. You'll be learning to balance the polarities, okay? And learning to forgive, learning how to awaken yourself. So after the forgiveness, there's that awakening, that rebirth, like those new energies. Okay. Now let's see. What is the resolution? Okay. Okay, so this is the Four of Wands, and it deals with fire. It's the third decan in Aries. And number 4 is all about form, completeness, right? Foundations, progress, power, stability. When we think of 4, we think of like a square. It's like, it looks strong, right? So the Four of Wands, this is about celebration, joy, harmony, marriage, home, community, homecoming, maybe even some type of partnership. I'm seeing like 2 people, like on this card, there's 2 people, and they're holding a, looks like maybe bouquet of flowers or something, and it looks like they're celebrating. Yeah, there's some kind of like union, harmony, home, something coming up regarding that. Okay, so that's the conclusion of this. So what you're releasing is all of that financial loss, the lack of mindset, which is the Five of Pentacles, the insecurity, all of those things. Release all of that. And then what you'll be learning is balancing, okay? Balancing, being, you know, having forgiveness for yourself, forgiving yourself for financial loss, or like going down, all the way down deep, forgiving yourself, forgiving others, And then there will be that rebirth, that renewal, okay, of yourself. And then the conclusion of that is that you will be in celebration and joy, you know, harmony, marriage, union, some kind of, you know, union, a happy home, community, some type of homecoming, okay? Stability, foundation. So you're going from like instability to stability. And yep, that's the goal right there.